Okay, on this question, we've got a spinner here, and it says, find the probability of spinning red on the first spin, blue on the second. Well, what's the chance of getting red on the first spin here? Well, there's 3 out of 6, right? Because there's 6 sections up here. You know what I mean? Come up here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections, all the same size. And so what's the chance you're going to get red on the first spin? 3 out of 6. So there's 3 reds out of 6 total. And means multiply. And times blue on the second. What's the chance of getting blue on the second? Well, 2 out of 6 are blue, aren't they? So multiply those together. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. I don't know if they want, what they want on this, like a decimal or a fraction. Let me go back and see if I can figure it out. Let me see. Oh yeah, they say reduced fraction, huh? But maybe they will take that. Let me see. They say reduced fraction, but maybe they'll take a decimal anyway. Let me see. Yeah, they'll take it either way. They say reduced fraction, but they'll take it either way. So you can reduce the fraction. They say reduced fraction, so technically you should divide top and bottom by 6. You'll get 1/6. They'll take 1/6, or you could give them a decimal. I just tested it out. It takes a decimal answer also. Okay, now the next part, it says red on the first spin and cyan on the second. So red on the first, again, is 3 out of 6. And means times. That's the main point I want you to show is and. When you do one thing and then another, it's multiply. Cyan, am I saying that right? Cyan, that's 1 out of 6 on the second spin. So then you just multiply top times top, bottom times bottom. That's 3 out of 36. 3 times 1 is 3 out of 36. And then you can reduce that fraction, divide top and bottom by 3, and that'll be 1 out of 12. It's 1 out of 12, or you could give them a decimal. It will take a decimal. And then finally, third question, find the probability of not spinning cyan on either spin, which means not cyan on the first and not cyan on the second. Oh, so that's interesting. Let's try that. So we'll say not cyan and not cyan. So what's the chance of getting not cyan the first time? 5 out of 6, right? 5 out of 6 are not cyan. And is times, not cyan again, 5 out of 6. Multiply those together. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 25, 36. And you can't reduce that fraction. Nothing divides into 25 and 36. So you just leave it like that. And so there we go.